वेरी गुड मॉर्निंग गाइस। आज आप देख रहे हो कि वी आर हैविंग अ वेरी नाइस ब्रेकफास्ट एंड वेरी वेरी लाइट वन, बट you must be thinking that what are we actually having. So here we are having pita. Acha, pita is a very famous kind of a snacks which in you'll find in all Odia families. We have a different varieties of pita. If you could see that the pita which we are having in a breakfast is actually called as monda pita. So we in northern states, like I belong from northern states of India. So when I was there in my childhood, my mama used to make another kind of different kind of snacks, but I we never experienced this kind of pitas and all in our states. No, actually nobody knew that. Now it is available in the market, so everybody knew about it, everybody knows about it also. And they're interested to taste it. Now this is very healthy as well. If you will see the stuffing, which it is stuffed, actually the stuffing which is done is all the raw coconut and the jaggery. Now jaggery is, you all know, that is much and far better than having the sugar. Right, sugar has been going to the factory and been added with so many other different preservatives, so that it can be fresh and white in color. But sugar is a very natural, will provide you natural sweetness. So I always prefer sugar. I always prefer jaggery. I don't prefer sugar. And I also try to use more and more jaggery in my home, because I have a small daughter and she generally likes to eat sweets. When she likes to eat sweets, we prepare this kind of snacks, and we avoid sugar in our in our home. If you could see, in our family, sugar will is actually a slow poison for everybody. This is for everybody, I'm telling. Sugar will spoil your health if you will stop eating sugar for 14 days. Like, that is what mummy is saying, that in olden days we never used to have sugar in our homes. We all had jaggeries, and we also had the liquefied kind of a jaggery, which actually makes the food very healthier and even tastier, and even very tastier. Now Shaveri has come, and Shaveri, mama told that she also likes to eat. And yes, Shaveri ka to favorite snacks hai ye, and she loves to have all different kinds of pitas, because she is again breeded kind of a child. She is half Odia and half northern states, belong from northern states, and she has